Well, millions of people suffer from an eye condition known as droopy eyelids, and up until now, the only fix was surgery. But the eye guy, Dr. Raymond Douglas, says there's another option. Welcome.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, and of course, I'm happy to have you here. So, can you explain why droopy eyes have become such a problem?
So often in the upper eyelids, when they become droopy, patients really kind of struggle, especially if you're, working on a computer or even driving, because you're trying to lift these droopy eyelids out of the way. And then that can, you can notice it on interviews, especially as we're doing so many interviews via video or just in photos, or just when you're driving and working, etc. So it really does become a problem for many of my patients.
And tell us more about this new treatment option.
So the muscle that raises the eyelid can become weak or stretched out. And there's a drop, it's recently FDA approved, called Upneek, that contracts that muscle. And so the muscle that normally raises the eyelid, this drop causes it to contract and elevate the eyelid. And it can happen over the course of the day to improve the height of the eyelid.
Now, what are the benefits of the drops versus the risks of surgery?
Well, the first thing is you always want to consult your medical professional to see if drops or surgery or the cause of ptosis, is discovered and, is appropriate to consider any of these treatments. But certainly with a drop, you can use it once a day, elevates the eyelids, and can give you a more full range of visual field and being able to see just a bit better in that regard. Surgery is also an option. It kind of mechanically shortens that muscle, but certainly, as with any surgery, requires a recovery time and can have, potential issues associated with the surgery that many patients like to avoid.
And where can people learn more?
So the easiest place is upneeq.com, and that's upneeq.com.
All right, Dr. Douglas, thank you so much for being with us. Really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.